Good evening. Today, we are going to open the 44mm Ace laminated padlock using the 032 tensioner from the Reaper sets and the number 3 from the Reaper sets, like a saw. And with any luck, we'll get a half set just like that, and we'll get it open just like that. Excellent. I love this lock. It's my favorite lock. Oh my! That terrified me. Good Lord.
These things are mocking me. In fact, they've been staring at me for weeks. It's grown eyeballs. They're conspiring against me and mocking me when I sleep. I knew it. I knew it. Oh, boy. Well, I've got fingers and you don't.